Leadership. What is it? Who has it? And how do I get it? Well, leadership is not a birthright. Leadership's not going to be given to you. It's not the result of how much money you have, or because how well known you are, or how much power you think you have. Leadership encourages other people. It guides them to make good choices. It strengthens them, enables them to do more, and it empowers them to utilize the tools that they already have. Now, leaders are everywhere. Leaders are your parents who help you make the right choices. They're teachers who guide you to make morally correct decisions. They're coworkers that show you hard work. Friends that support you no matter what. And politicians that work on your behalf. Questions you can ask yourself if you are a good leader. Do you have integrity? Do you know the difference between right and wrong? Do you have vision? Do you act for the good of others in mind? Do you encourage people to be better? And do you focus on the good of the team? Great leaders self-reflect. They ask themselves questions like, what are their goals? What do you do to accomplish your goals? And what could you do better next time to get those goals? Always looking forward to be better is what makes a great leader. Now, being a leader means having humility. Ezra Taft Benson once said, pride is concerned with who is right. Humility is concerned with what is right. Nelson Mandela said that to lead, you must lead from the back and let others believe that they are in front. And C.S. Lewis, a famous author, once said that humility is not thinking less of yourself, but it is thinking of yourself less. In easy to understand terms, humility is knowing that you are stronger because of others, and what you accomplish is a result of the whole, not just the part that you played in it. Now, leaders seize the moment. They don't wait for other people to take up a cause or to lead the way. When they see something that needs done, they do it. They lead the way, which is why we call them leaders. Now, if you want to be a successful leader, you must follow the secret to a successful life. First, you must understand that you don't know everything. That there's always more to know. That there's more to understand. That there's more to do and accomplish than you already have. Now, that doesn't mean you're not a hard worker. It doesn't mean that you don't know something about what you're doing. It means that you believe that you can always do better. And you must always believe that. Because that will enable you to become who you want to be and stay true to who you are. To be the kind of person that sets the example that you want others to follow. That is the definition of a true leader. And that is the key to being successful. Now, something you might say to yourself is, when is the road over? Well, it is never over. To be a great leader, to be a good person, and to be successful is a journey that you go on. Thanks for watching. I hope I inspired you all to be the person you want to be.